All right. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. Sorry. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog is going to be a little different. So I'm basically going to tell you what I do on Sunday. Okay? So this is like kind of like baking slash cooking, but I'm just going to show you what I do on a daily basis, okay? So what I do on Sundays and during the week, okay? So I'm going to show you a video of myself, okay? Hi guys, welcome. So I'm making cookie dough. So I started to roll them. Sorry guys, let me start it over. 2 seconds. Hi guys, welcome. So I'm making cookie dough. So I started to roll them. And if y'all can kind of see, I was rolling the cookies, right? I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm gonna do all of them on a Sunday day. Basically on a Sunday, what I usually do, I cook and like to bake. So now I'm gonna cut more of the cookie dough. So if you guys want to do this easier, this is an easy trick. All I'm doing right now, it's so soft. So I'm just holding it in my hand, make them into a ball. Ignore the background, guys. Just roll them like this into a ball. And then you just put them down on the plastic paper. And basically when you do all of them, it's already soft. So I'm gonna do all of them. Put them in the toaster. You make the cookies. So right now, I love to bake. I usually do it like on a weekdays sometimes, but I usually do this on a Sunday, weekday, any kind of day you can do this. And I usually do cooking, but today I'm cooking as well, but I'm making some cookies. So I'm just going to end the vlog here, and that's it. Alright guys, I'll show you another short vlog. Alright guys, this is the cookie dough, all of the cookie dough. So I'm going to put them in the toaster, and then we'll see how it goes, okay? So I'm going to pause this, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, there's another video. Alright, hi guys. So I just put the cookies in. It's hard for me to show. They're in the toaster, baking. So I will show you guys how they turn out. Okay? Yeah guys, so this is how they were kind of turning out. I had to throw maybe 2 or 3, but they're not bad. And here's another short little video again. Alright guys, these are the cookies. I can't put them back in because they'll burn. But, I think I can eat them, see how they look. Yes, so the reason why I'm showing you guys that, so when it comes to baking, okay, I've been baking since I was young till now. I'm not gonna say I'm a good expert when it comes to baking, but like I said, they could have been better. The cookies are called, I don't know if I have, they're called cookie dough. I think they're like chocolate chip cookie. If I have them, I would show you them. Yes, here they are. So they're called cookie dough. So these are what it's called. It's called cookie dough. But yeah, so I know I may have made them not so great, but it's called cookie dough. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys, if you're somebody that's into baking, that's into cooking, you know, that is like a big situation. And yeah, this is my vlog, what I do on Sundays. And yeah, so if you guys like this type of video, this is what I do on a Sunday. And yeah, so that's what I like to do. This is what I like to do on a daily basis, if that makes sense. I just like to do these type of vlogs on a Sunday, and I just feel like, you know, baking is so much fun, cooking is fun, you know, maybe everything is just fun, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but other than that, that's what I do on a Sunday. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you're a new subscriber, hello, my name is Lashana. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, I forgot to do my outro, but you guys kind of saw an outro when I did when I was standing up and walk around. This is how I did the outro. Like I just go back. Just go back like this. Hold on. And go back. And let me start with showing how I do my outros. Well, hello there. Okay. And then I have a seat. And then I say, you know, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So like I said, this is what I do on Sundays or on a daily basis. This is what I do. But yeah, so like I said, if you like these type of vlogs, comment down below. And you guys will be seeing more vlogs in April. These vlogs are for April vlogs, so you guys will see these vlogs. And yeah, so I will put the name for the cookie dough if you guys want it in the description. I will where is it again? Okay, I will put the cookie name if you guys want to buy. You guys can buy them. Okay, but then I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. These will be for April vlogs, and I'll see you guys not this week, but the other following week. You'll see my vlogs. Not next week, but the other 2.5 week, you will see my vlogs. Okay.